Hello everyone. So today we will be having a discussion, a revision lesson about reading and writing time in words and in numbers. So we already have this topic during our first day in our second term, but I would like to have a revision about this topic. Now, so we already know about the clock. Okay, so we have the hour hand, the small hand, which is the hour hand, and the minute hand is the longer one. And we also knew that the minutes can be read as with the interval of by 5. So starting from 1 will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay? And now if you are going to read that the hands of this clock, it is the small hand is pointing at 4 and the long hand is pointing at 12. So if it is the case, we are going to read it as 4 o'clock, and it can be written as 4:00, not 4:60. Okay, so here in the first part we will write here the hour or the hours, and then here is the minutes. Okay, so if you're going to write 4 o'clock, it's like this: 4 o'clock. Okay, so it depends on what or where is the hand is pointing. Okay, then next we are going to discuss about the partition of the clock. So we have the word quarter. So if you see the word quarter, okay, it means that the clock was divided into 4 parts. Okay, so each part is 15 minutes. Okay, so sometimes we can read numbers, or we can read the clock by its number. For example, it's let us say okay, this one. So we can read it as 4:10. Okay, 4:10. 4 is the hour, so the small hand is the hour. So we will read first the hour hand. Okay, so we write 4, and then the minutes is 10, because we read the long hand is our minutes. So 5:10. So we can write 4:10. But sometimes we can write, or we can say the time in different ways. So like for example this example. Okay, so if you see the word quarter, it means 15 minutes. Okay, and then if you see the word half, it means 30 minutes. Okay, because half of 60 is 30. Because 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Okay, so if it's half, so 60 divided by 2, it's 30 minutes. If it's quarter, so 60 divided by 4, because it's quarter means 1/4, so divided by 4 parts. So that's why each part is 15 minutes. Okay, now after discussing the partition of the clock, now we will have the following words that we can encounter in reading and writing the clock or the time in words and in numbers. So we have the word to. Okay, to, and the word pass or the word after. Okay, so when you say the word to, it means subtraction. Okay, so how is it that this is all about subtraction? So let's have an example. The word quarter to 8. So quarter to 8. So there is our word to. Okay, so it means quarter is how many minutes? It's 15 minutes. Okay, and then 2 means before 8. So 8, it's not yet 8 o'clock. It's not yet reaching the hour 8. So it means it's still in 7, because it says before 8. So it's still in 7. And then we said that 2 means subtraction. So 60 minutes, so that is 1 hour, you will subtract 15 minutes. Okay, because it says quarter to 8. So we will subtract 15 minutes. Quarter means 15 minutes from the hour. So 60 minus 15, so it will give us 45. So the answer for quarter to 8 will be 7:45. Or we can also read it as quarter to 8 or 7:45. So another example. Let's have 20 minutes Okay, so this time it's not quarter. So we have a given minutes, 20 minutes to 9. Okay, there's the word again, 2. So it means that it's not yet 9 o'clock. Okay, so that's why it's 20 minutes before 9. So it's not yet 9, so it means we'll go back by 8. So it's 8. Okay, and then it says before 9, 20 minutes before. So we need to subtract again from 60, 20 minutes, because it says 20 minutes. So we will subtract 20 minutes to 60. 60 minus 20 is 40. So that's why the answer will be 8:40. Okay, so we can read it as 8:40 or 20 minutes to 9. Okay, so we're done with the word to. Okay, to again means subtraction. So let's have another example. Let us say 10 minutes to 3. Okay, 10 minutes to 3. So it means it's not yet 3 o'clock, or the hour hand is not yet in 3. So we go back, because it says 2. 2 means subtraction. We go back by 2. And then the minutes will be, so we will subtract 10 minutes from 60. Okay, so 60 minus 10 will be 50. So the answer will be 2:50. So that is also 10 minutes to 3. So it's not yet 3 o'clock, so we still need 10 minutes to make to go to 3 o'clock. Okay, so that is the word to means in reading the time. Now let's go to the word past or the word after. So it means addition. Okay, because it's already past. So let's have an example. Quarter past 8. So you see again there the word quarter. Quarter is 15 minutes. So quarter past 8. So it means 8 o'clock already passed. Okay, so it means 15 minutes past 8. Okay, or 15 minutes is already past to 8. So the answer is 8:15. So we add 15 minutes to 8 o'clock because it says past 8. So 8 already passed and 15 minutes have passed to 8. So that's why 8:15. So we can also read it as 8:15 or quarter past 8. Okay? Next, let's have this one. 20 minutes past 9. So again, we have there the word past. So it means it's 9 o'clock already passed by 20 minutes. So that's why 20 minutes past 9. So we have 9 o'clock already. And then we will add 20 minutes in the minutes because it says 20 minutes past. So 20 minutes has passed to 9 o'clock. So it's 9:20. Okay? So let's have another example. Let us say 10 past 3. Okay? So 10 past 3, or we can write 10 minutes past 3. So it means 3 is our hour. So 3 o'clock is already passed by 10 minutes. So we can write it as like this, 3:10. Or 10 minutes past 3 or 10 past 3. Okay? So, I hope this video will help you how to read and write time. Okay, so later I will be posting the assignment again that you have to pass it to me online through Edmodo. Thank you again and have a nice day.